This lift was originally installed in 1920, but what makes it so special is the way the lift cab was suspended. This lift didn't use cables, it used these. One goes through the wall to the counterweight, and the other goes down the shaft to pull the lift up and down. Would you trust this system? Today the lift is powered underneath by hydraulics, and the metal strips have been detached. However, these and the vintage lift machinery from 1920 still remains in the old motor room. Firstly, let's go to the top and have a look at the old lift motor room. Then we'll have a look at the footage of the old metal strip system in use, which has kindly been donated by my friend Joris. This is where the metal strips used to be that pulled the lift up and down the shaft. With the hydraulics now operating the lift from underneath, there was no longer any need to have these attached anymore. But the old motor room still exists. This is our first stop, which is within reach of the hatch. These are glass battery jars, vintage batteries that probably date back to when the lift was installed. They're likely only to hold 1.5 volts each. They probably connect to the alarm bell circuit so that it was unaffected by power outages, which were probably common back in 1920. At the back you can see a spare metal coil. This side was attached to the top of the lift. Just why this lift didn't use traditional cables, I'm not quite sure. There's also another spool that goes to a hidden counterweight that we'll see in a moment. Now the counterweight, which doesn't link directly to the lift. Instead, it's spooled around this wheel. You'll see it in action in a moment. This is all vintage lift machinery from 1920. Now let's see the metal strip system in action. This footage comes from quite a few years ago. It's great to see the old lift suspension system in use. Notice the two spools. One lowers the metal strip to raise and lower the lift. The other one goes across to a hidden counterweight. You may have noticed there's 1 or 2 noises missing from this motorroom. As an example, here's another lift from the 1920s, which is coming up in a different video. The motor in this motorroom is not operating, therefore this wheel is free spinning. Although at this point, the metal strips are still connected, but it's already been converted to hydraulic. But could you really see a lift working more than 100 years later with all this machinery still original? Well, this is true for this lift. It's still working and it's over 100 years old. Please check the video description for an update. Ask you to please consider subscribing to our channel to see other quality videos when they're uploaded. Quality, not quantity, is our motto, and I do hope you've enjoyed watching.